These are two visual timers, and I am so excited to start using these in my house. My son is a very visual learner, and visual timers help him so much in occupational therapy. We've started using them on my cell phone, but I'm trying not to encourage screen time or keep my phone out around him. So having something to just set that he can touch and that he's familiar with is going to be game changing in my house. These are so cool because all you have to do is spin the dial and set however many minutes you want the timer to count down to. They both go from 0 to 60 minutes. The green just has a standard green block, so as the time is going, and you can tell that it's on because of this light here, as the time is going, the color starts to retreat, and that's how your child knows that his time is almost up. The yellow one is also very cute. It has a rainbow color block and a little cloud. They also have a pause button at the top, so you can select that. That will start your indicator light flashing, and that means that your timer is paused, it is not counting down. And then to start it back up again, you just click the button at the top. When the time is up, you will get an alarm. And on the back, we have our volume settings. So this one is on the highest volume. We have a low volume, which is significantly quieter, and a silent, which just has the indicator light. This is what it looks like all the way up. These are super helpful. If your child is struggling with transitions, I highly recommend trying a visual timer. This just preps their brain to know something new is coming, and having the auditory and visual cues has significantly helped my son. And being able to place these around my house is going to be a game changer for my family. Thank you so much to the brand for sending me these so that I could share them with you.